Hello and welcome back for another informative video. Today we are going to be talking about how to work with your emotions through divorce and legal separation. And I am pleased to have with me today India Kern. India is the author of the book Surviving the Unwanted Divorce and a Divorce Recovery Coach. So I couldn't think about a better person to have with me than to talk about emotions and how to coach your way through the divorce process. So I had this thought this morning when I was out riding my bike, and I thought about a couple of 2-year-olds who were both really hungry, who both really wanted a cookie, but there was only one cookie in the cookie jar. So we could all imagine with a couple of 2-year-olds being hungry and wanting that cookie, that trying to split that cookie up was going to be a difficult endeavor.
Right.
It could result in some conflict, some moaning, some groaning, but being a couple of 2-year-olds, that's typical behavior. However, it's somewhat similar in the divorce process that I see 52-year-olds fighting over the community cookie. And a lot of times it's really what's behind that that's coming out. Like you guys have probably heard the expression, it's not about the garbage, right? So I want India to speak with us today about how she can help you if you are facing divorce or legal separation, navigate through that process without using your emotions to barter and bargain.
Right.
So what are your thoughts for us today, India?
Well, we can both agree that divorce is a major life transition, correct?
Absolutely.
Okay,
Absolutely.
so with major life transitions comes worry, anxiety, trepidation, and fear of the unknown. And when you are in this state of fear, you have a self-limiting belief system that creates doubt and low self-esteem. And you lose the power of decision. And this is the last thing you want to lose when you're facing divorce. Right? So this is when I see couples make big mistakes because they're making decisions from an emotional standpoint rather than a logical standpoint. So when someone is facing a situation and they don't know their next step forward, the best thing to do is to educate themselves and ask the right questions. So ask the question, why am I making this decision? Is it out of anger, jealousy, resentment? Am I trying to get back at my ex? Take a bit of self-inventory. And that's also where I come in as a divorce coach, because my job is to ask the right questions so you can see where your intention is. You say you have a obstacle and you're trying to overcome it. As a coach, I come in there and we work together so that we can create a specific and measurable goal to achieve. So, like my coach always said to me, we do not reach clarity alone. And those are wise words, because once you get that inner dialogue and get it out and we discuss it, that's when we can get beyond the obstacle. So coaching is not supposed to be with you forever. We're supposed to just move beyond what's keeping you stuck, so to speak. So that's what I do in a nutshell. I try to help people get through their obstacle for a part of their life, not throughout many years.
Yeah. Well, we use coaches for all different things in our society. Most people, if they're training for an event, will hire a coach. So they understand what to do to get the best result. And that is so important when going through a divorce situation. So thank you so much for joining us today. How do people get in touch with you?
So I actually encourage you to check out my website, learn a little bit about me. That is indiakern.com. And if you want to just email me, find me at connect@indiakern.com.
Great. And I'm Joanne Little. I'm with DivorceHelpFamilyLaw.com, and you can reach out to me at joanne@DivorceHelpFamilyLaw.com. So thank you so much for joining us. Thank you, India. And we wish you the best moving forward and hope that this video has given you some information that will help you through the process. Thank you again.
Thank you.